When considering a sales tax software solution, EzTax by Wolters Kluwer is likely on your radar. But before you decide, let's break down 12 things you should know to determine if it's the right choice for you. First, EzTax offers a comprehensive, scalable solution, especially for businesses that deal with multiple tax jurisdictions. But how does it compare to other tools like Avalara or TaxJar? Well, while they provide similar services, EzTax's strength lies in its integration with Wolters Kluwer's suite of tax tools, offering a seamless experience across various financial and legal functions. Next, one of the key features is its accuracy. EzTax uses up-to-date tax rate information, which is crucial in avoiding errors when calculating tax rates in different regions. However, while it's solid, other platforms like Avalara are often regarded as having the edge in terms of sheer database coverage and real-time rate updates. The third thing to note is the pricing structure. EzTax offers competitive pricing, but unlike some other platforms, it can be a bit more complex to navigate when scaling up. This can lead to higher costs for businesses with multiple locations or a high volume of transactions, which might be more straightforward with alternatives like TaxJar. The fourth thing is its ease of use. EzTax is designed to be user-friendly, but if you're not familiar with tax software, it might take some time to get up to speed. Some of the other options on the market, like Avalara, may provide more intuitive onboarding experiences. Moving on to the fifth thing, EzTax offers good customer support with access to dedicated tax experts. However, some competitors, particularly TaxJar, excel in providing faster, more accessible support channels, which can make a big difference when you're dealing with urgent tax matters. The sixth point is that EzTax integrates well with popular accounting and ERP systems, including QuickBooks and SAP. While this integration is a plus, Avalara's broader range of integrations with a larger number of platforms could be a better fit for companies using specialized tools. Seventh, EzTax provides detailed tax reports that can help you manage compliance and file returns accurately. While this is an essential feature, platforms like TaxJar offer more in-depth analytics and reporting options, which can help you track tax liabilities in real time. Next thing to consider is automation. EzTax automates tax calculations, but it doesn't quite have the same level of sophistication as Avalara when it comes to automating end-to-end workflows, including tax filing and remittance. The ninth thing is scalability. As your business grows, EzTax is a solid choice, especially if you're planning to expand to new regions. However, its scalability might feel restrictive compared to Avalara, which offers more customization options for larger enterprises. The 10th point involves security. EzTax follows high standards in safeguarding user data, but so do its competitors. That said, Avalara has a more extensive history of compliance and audit protection features, making it a go-to option for businesses with sensitive data. 11th, EzTax's user interface is clean, but some users report that its layout feels somewhat outdated compared to the more modern designs of alternatives like TaxJar. If aesthetics and speed are important to you, this might be something to keep in mind. And the final thing is the long-term support. EzTax provides ongoing updates and resources for its users, but compared to Avalara and TaxJar, it may not have as many proactive customer success initiatives. This can be a deciding factor if you're looking for a long-term partner in sales tax management. To sum up, EzTax by Wolters Kluwer is a solid, reliable option for businesses in need of sales tax software. It's accurate, scalable, and integrates well with major accounting systems. However, if you're looking for more customization, faster support, or a platform with a larger range of integrations, you may want to explore our recommended solution, which you can try for free.